Yow, 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 yow.
EA Sports. It's in the game.
Welcome back, everyone. He's Ray Ferraro. My name is James Cebulski. We are so excited to bring you all the action here on EA Sports tonight. International showdown here tonight. Does the environment change when you're playing nationally as opposed to a club?
100% it does, because it's a little bit different. You're not usually with regular teammates, so everything feels a little bit different, but you are playing for your country.
Setters glide into position for the opening draw. Puck is dropped, and we are underway. This has been one we've been waiting for a while, and it's time to finally see what the payoff is all about. Team Switzerland's won the face-off deep in their own end. Yossi's got the puck along the wing. Switzerland's got the puck against the boards. And that's broken up with a stick in front. Latvia's in now. Centering pass. Receives the pass. Throws it on goal. Gets in front of it. Team Latvia's got a hold of the puck. Up along the wing. Quick feed to Gergensons. Snaps one here in the slot. Denies him.
Barra's so sharp on this. Reads the play, reads the puck, makes the save.
Grabs the puck. Along the wing up the neutral zone. Here they are on the attack. Good hit to bump him off the puck. Team Switzerland's got control of it now from their own end and sends it just out of reach. And we've got a 2-on-1. Makes the save. Right positioning. Looked easy.
That's a dangerous scoring chance, but the goaltender makes a great save as he's able to snuff it out.
Good read by the winger as the two setters tie up. Denied by the goaltender. Bukarts plays it along the wall. Here's a shot and makes the save. Switzerland's gained possession along the boards. Fiala's got it into offensive territory. No room for that one to get through. Rocks him. Sends the pass over. Takes a nice feed up through the middle now. Slides the puck over. With possession along the wall. On the backhand. And it's in! He scores! Gets his own rebound and makes it count.
Nice play to follow his shot. He gets the initial shot, follows it in tight, and is able to beat the goaltender with his own rebound.
Latvia's made their way back to center ice here, and they've got that 1-0 lead.
The road is a funny place to play. You can't really be too aggressive, but when you get an early lead, James, you can open it up a little bit.
They've got the defense outnumbered. Now a quick pass to Kukin. Great glove save.
Time of the goal, 3 minutes, 36 seconds.
Lots of hockey left to be played in this period. 1-0 the score. Haas wins it in the offensive zone. Moves the puck inside the offensive zone. And that skips away on a nice defensive deflection. Here's a shot. Stones him with the blocker. Brings the puck into the offensive end now. Puts it on net. The glove making it look easy on the play. Center's jammed up and the winger grabs the puck. Slides it back to the blue line. Steps into it. Answers it with an even better save. Inching closer to the midway mark of this period. 1-0 is where we sit at this point. Puck is dropped and he wins the draw here in the defensive zone. Takes it across the blue line. Picks off the pass in the defensive zone. Trying to shake the defender, and he misses.
Oh, you don't get many chances like that. Not able to convert.
Moved in front. Team Latvia's got the puck along the boards. Sends a pass over, and that one's stopped. Gergensons is quick on the draw. That's a great heads-up play to break up the pass. Pokes it away to stay on the attack. Passes it over to Niederreiter. Niederreiter's going to play it against the half wall. And a stick in the lane ends that threat. Over the line they come. Shot. Stopped by the goaltender. Slides it up to Meyer. And now he tries to get it across to Niederreiter. And the shot dies in the traffic jam. We got a penalty coming up here on the play. Stopped by the goaltender. And there's the whistle. Let's get the call from the official here. Spiza's going off to the box for 2 minutes.
A lot of times the player won't think that's even a penalty, but you go that far to make the hit. The referee's radar goes up.
Well, as both teams dig in for the face-off here, just moments away, it's our first opportunity to look at the power play unit here.
Well, they get another chance here. They've earned the power play. They haven't got anything on their power plays yet. Haven't had a lot of them, but here's a nice chance for them.
And manages to clear the zone. Retrieves the puck, trying to kickstart this power play. And he gains the zone here. Back to the blue line. Hammers the shot. Oh, he stopped that one. That was a fireball. Still lots of time left here in this frame. We've got a 1-0 hockey game thus far. Heischer's won the draw deep in the defensive zone. Gets it out of his own end. Handles the puck. Here they come on the attack. Here's a short pass to Hischer. Myers got it against the boards. Deflected in front. Stopped by the blocker.
Really good positioning as he makes the stop from in tight.
Takes the pass. And now it's grabbed by Weber. Here's a chance to try to get it out of the defensive zone. Spiza's penalty has expired.
Oh, when the puck moves and the feet don't, this is what you get. You have lots of zone time, but no real dangerous chances on that power play.
Here's a shot, and there's the save. Bank pass off the boards. Handles the puck at the point. Oh, couldn't finish the job. What an excellent opportunity, Ray.
They worked their way into good shape. He's just not able to beat the goalie.
Takes the feed. Right in the slot. A chance right in front, and it's in. He scores.
The release beats the goalie here, but there's a good break, too, as the puck hits the post and goes in. Now, the only way he's stopping this one is if it hits him. As soon as the shooter went to shoot it, the goaltender dropped into the butterfly. He's looking around that traffic, hoping he can find it.
is now up by 2 here in this first.
And they deserve to be. They've been the better team, and they've capitalized on the opportunities that they've had offensively.
While the centers are jammed up, nice job by the winger to steal the puck. Moves the puck along the half wall. Knocked away. Team Switzerland's got the puck inside the defensive zone. Team Latvia's got possession here in the neutral zone. Switzerland's regained possession of the puck. Mulligan's got the puck. Puts it to the front of the net. Along the half wall with the puck. Wrists one. A rocker off the blocker. Carries it in. Team Switzerland's got the puck. Into the offensive zone. Slides it quickly to Yossi. And that's broken up. Moves the puck. Yepilovs plays it now. Through center along the wing. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Moves it around along the half wall. Latvia's got the puck now. Nice pass. On the attack along the boards. Here's a chance to set up now. Glides along the blue line. Point-to-point pass. Here's a blast. Oh, what a save with the glove. More than half the period has gone by. Hope you're enjoying this one. We've got a 2-0 game here tonight. Good read by the winger as the two setters tie up. Carries it across the line. Takes the feed at the back end. Play whistle dead because of an offside. Face off here in the neutral zone, and we are back underway. Looking to make something happen along the boards. Shot, and he comes up with it. Team Latvia's capitalized on their offensive abilities here in this first period. Offensive zone face-off, and he wins the draw. Off a stick. Switzerland's got a hold of it against the wall. Brings the puck into the offensive end now. Into the corner. We got a delayed call coming up here as the referee raises his hand. And the officials stop the play. Let's see what the call is. Hoarding is the call. These are always ones that look a little dangerous in my eyes here, Ray.
I don't know why the player can't quite stop. When you see the player's numbers right in front of you, don't hit them.
And their first chance to use the man advantage.
I always felt on the power play, the first one was really important for any team. If you stumble around on the first power play, guys start to press as you get more and more of them through the game.
And a solid job tying up his opponent. Move to the middle, makes the save. Sets up from Gretzky's office. Denies him.
Quick work, he makes 1 and 2 saves in a row.
And manages to clear the zone. Team Switzerland's got the puck along the wall. And now he moves it quickly to Heischer. Here's the pass. From point-blank range. Glove save. Quick reflexes.
He's sharp on this one, out on top of the crease aggressively to make the save.
Here in the late going of the frame, and it's a comfortable 2-0 lead we're looking at right now. Play resumes here as he wins the draw inside. Special teams coming up huge on that goal.
They take advantage of having the extra man by moving the puck quickly. That's a beautiful goal. the way you draw it up. It just never seems to work like that. Face-off control, a power play goal in just a few seconds.
Switzerland still trailing here in this opening period despite excellent scoring opportunities in the offensive zone. And play resumes as the puck is dropped.
Scored on the power play by number 22, Nino.
Weber's got it to the side. From the blue line. Denies him on the slapper.
Nino Hischier, time of the goal.
Oh, and they go back on offense.
Team Switzerland's done a great job without the puck. Nice pick off there. This game's close because of it.
Glove saved by the goalie. Team Switzerland's down, but not out. They've had chances. They just haven't capitalized. Center's jammed up, and the winger grabs the puck. Takes it across the blue line. Back at the point, they set it up. Takes the feed. Receives the pass. Big hit. Puck knocked loose in the neutral zone. Latvia's got a hold of it along the wall. Fires it into the offensive zone. Switzerland's got the puck in their own end. Takes it from the right side. Flips it up the net, and that one's turned away. Here in the dying moments of this period, it's a 2-1 game. While the centers are jammed up, nice job by the winger to steal the puck. Quick pass to Yossi, and it's a quick pass to Yossi. Pass to Girgensons. Into the offensive end now. There's a collision. Moves it to Fiala. With possession along the wall. From the slot, big time stop with the glove.
Girgensons can't avoid the body contact. You want to look for a place to escape. Sometimes there's nowhere to go.
Team Switzerland's down despite numerous scoring opportunities here late in the first. And as the puck is dropped, they win the draw here inside the defensive zone. Levels them with the hit. Team Latvia is looking to break out of their own end. And makes the save.
Hischier's on the receiving end of this huge hit. Sometimes you've got nowhere to go.
Switzerland still trailing here in this opening period despite excellent scoring opportunities in the offensive zone. Back underway, and they take possession here inside the offensive zone. Tape-to-tape feed on the blue line. Moves up near the blue line and looks to set up at the point. Knocks it away with the paddle. Great poke check. Feeds it to Kukin. Shot! Another stop by the goaltender.
Stop one, stop two. The goalie makes a couple of excellent saves.
Team Switzerland's down, but not out. They've had chances. They just haven't capitalized. Clock ticking down here inside the first period. And the lane's clogged up, blocking that. From one point man to another. Backhander in front. Stopped by the goaltender.
Well, by being in the right position, James, he gets so tight to the shooter, there's nowhere for the puck to go.
And the goaltender gets to the bench for the extra attacker. Play is blown dead. We've got a penalty on the way. Slashing the call here on this one.
He got his 2 minutes worth there, James, as he's fishing away, and all of a sudden he takes the stick back and whacks him pretty good.
As we're about to drop the puck, the power play unit back out onto the ice for another opportunity. The frozen biscuits dropped, and we are back underway here. Gets it out of his own end. Taken along the wall by Spiza. Tosses it to Yossi. Sends the pass over. Well, there's the horn concluding the first 20 minutes. Time to get a clean sheet of ice. Well, both goaltenders leak a little bit here. We've got a 2-1 game, and I can expect more of the same here if the first period was any indication.
Are you ready for your walk down memory lane? Then join us for our fantasy camp. Play hockey with your childhood heroes. It's a fun-filled...
As both teams get a breather here in this first intermission, we'll do the same and get ready for period number 2. And we are just moments away from the start of period number 2. Switzerland's man advantage is still intact as this period gets underway, and they win the draw. And he slides it quickly to Spiza. Niederreiter's got it in the offensive zone. Oh, he'll feel that one. Team Switzerland's gained possession along the boards. Steps in front of the shot. And an easy glove save on the play.
I like how he was able to follow the puck. Good save in close.
Switzerland's looking to convert on some of these chances. They've had plenty of opportunities, but have been snake-bitten thus far. And momentum on their side as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. And manages to clear the zone. Team Switzerland's got the puck along the boards. Mueller's got it across the line. Slides the puck over. Glove save, and an easy one at that.
He makes the glove stop right from the slot. That's a dangerous chance.
Switzerland's had the scoring opportunities. They just haven't been able to capitalize as they continue to trail. Puck is dropped and we are back underway. Gets it out of his own end. Team Switzerland's got a hold of it against the wall. They fail to capitalize on the man advantage and they still trail by a goal. On the doorstep, deflected away. Nice defensive use of the stick there. Good reach of the stick to knock the puck away. Makes the save as he got a blocker on it. And they can't connect. Switzerland still trailing in this one despite numerous shots on goal. Nice start winning the draw here inside the offensive zone. Denies him on the play. Bukart's picking up steam. The lane was plugged up and that shot's blocked. With the stop. Team Switzerland's looking to convert on some of these chances. They've had plenty of opportunities, but have been snake-bitten thus far. Good read by the winger as the two centers tie up. Looks to pass it to Hischier. Here's a shot. Oh, just wide.
Right in his wheelhouse, he powders it, but just misses.
Way too much congestion blocks that. Moves it quickly over to Spiza. Slides the puck ahead to Niederreiter. Rocked him in the open ice. Strong defensive effort. Quick feed to Hischier. Over the line they come. Takes a shot. Denied by the goaltender. Save made by the goalie. Denies him.
Really good stop. After he made the first one, he's got to find the puck, and he's in position again.
Still plenty of time left in this frame. It's 2-1. Center's jammed up and the winger grabs the puck. Here they come on the attack with authority. Switzerland's got the puck along the wall. Sends a pass over. And the traffic neutralizes that threat. Handles the puck. Moves the puck along the half wall. Quick shot off target. Team Switzerland's got a hold of it along the wall. They gain possession here inside the neutral zone. Along the half wall with the puck. Comes up with the steal.
Switzerland's stick position is
Trying to shake off the defender. Big time stop on the break.
goalie came out, matched the shooter's speed, and shut down the chance.
And he makes the save.
He's sharp on that one. Nowhere to go for the puck.
Big save by the goaltender once again. Cold has got it in the offensive end. Sends it across. Handles it along the blue line. Switzerland's got control of it now from their own end. Kukin's got it along the wing. Slides the puck down low. Nice feed from the boards. Weber's going to play it against the half wall. Here's a blast. Too much congestion in front. Comes up with the stop. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Here's a short pass to Weber. Weber's moving the puck through his own zone. Carries it in. And that's broken up with a stick in front. Takes a shot, and that's blocked away. Through the neutral zone, moving the puck along the side. Moves it around along the half wall. Centering pass, and that skips away on a nice defensive deflection. Centering pass, and the traffic jam in front blocks the shot. Takes the pass. Here's a chance right in the slot, and that goes off a player in front. Fialo's carrying it ahead. Latvia's gained possession along the boards. Kicked up ahead to his teammate who skates away. Pass back to the point. And he slides it quickly to Spiza. In front of the tip. Fantastic save! On the attack along the boards. Takes the feed. Looking to make something happen along the boards. Breaks up the pass in the defensive zone. Almost lost the puck, but hangs on here as play continues. Denies him with a save. Takes the feed from the goaltender. Kennens brings it in. Gets the full use of his stick on the poke check. Bear is going to cover it up and get a whistle.
Even with the traffic starting to close in, he had to grab that when he did. He ran right through him on that hit. Lined him up, timed it perfectly.
Still lots of time left in the period. It's 2-1. Gergensen has won the draw. Stopped by the goaltender. Quick pass to Spiza. Spiza's been tripped up, and we got a penalty coming up here. There's the stoppage of play. Let's see what the officials say. Pretty cut and dry trip on that play.
Coaches will tell you, be careful with your stick, but you're trying to get the puck. I don't think a lot of times they do it intentionally.
Another power play opportunity coming up here as they set up at the faceoff.
Down one, a chance to tie on the power play. What a great chance for them here. But you can't stress. You have to be confident and aggressive, but don't force anything.
And manages to clear the zone. Moves it to Hischer. Hischer's got it against the boards. Lets it go. What a save. He'll probably feel that one tomorrow. Team Switzerland's been the busier team offensively with way more shots on goal, but they still trail in the second. Good job tangling up his opponent here. Moves the puck. Moves it quickly over to Niederreiter. Now a quick pass to Weber. Wrestling in close. He scores!
Add that power play goal to the earlier one. They've really done well with the extra man here. Well, if he was about 4 inches taller, maybe he would have got to that. Desperation effort, but no goal.
Well past the midway mark of this period. You can feel the energy in this crowd. It's a tie game. Puck is dropped and play resumes. And now it's over to Haas. Haas looks around, sends it down low, and forces a huge turnover here with the steal. Quick feed to Gergensen. Nice pass. Slides the puck near the front of the net. Nice poke check inside the attacking zone. Here in the corner, he grabs the puck. Takes the feed at the point. Under all sorts of pressure, trying to protect the puck. Lets it fly with the stop. Takes the feed. Shot comes up with the stop as he got a piece of the blocker on it. Switzerland's got the puck along the boards. From one end of the blue line to the other. Here's a blast! Scores! And he puts his team in front.
James, this game looked really comfortable as a tie game. Now they're ahead. They've got to continue to push. This is a terrific shift for them here in the offensive zone. Relentless pressure. They never come off the puck. There is no time that the defensive team seems to be able to catch up. Eventually, it ends up in the net. They earn that marker.
Team Switzerland's jumped out to a one-goal lead here in the second.
Breaking the tie was critical. Now you can play in front and try and dictate the pace of the game.
Here's a chance. Slides it across. Team Latvia's got the puck. Carries it across the line. Receives the pass. And now he moves it quickly to Suter. Suter's got the puck. Sends the pass over. Slides the puck over. Moves across the point. Passes right to the front. Big save.
Smothered that in close chance.
Past the midway mark of the frame, James and Ray with you tonight. Switzerland's got a one-goal lead. Puck is dropped and he wins the draw here in the defensive zone. Handles the pass at center. Move to the middle. And he makes the easy save. There's another stop.
Yeah, he's pretty good positioning here, James. He makes the two stops back-to-back.
Team Switzerland's lead here in the second period, a direct result of being the more aggressive team offensively. And as the puck is dropped, they win the draw here inside the defensive zone. No quarter given here as they battle for the loose puck along the boards. Switzerland's got a hold of it against the wall. Niederreiter swooping in on the attack. With possession along the wall. Latvia's got the puck along the wall. Up along the wing. Across the point. And uses the length of his stick to knock that puck away. Moves it to Hischier. And it's a quick pass to Niederreiter. Comes up with the stop. Picks it off. They go back on the attack. Oh, he'd like a mulligan on that miss.
Oh, you got to get it on net, James. Yeah, the mulligan would be great because you don't even test the goalie here.
You never had that happen, right?
Many, many times.
Moves the puck along the half wall. And he loses both the puck and his balance after that hit. Brings the puck into the offensive end now. Takes a shot. And that'll make the highlight reels with that glove stop. Oh, and another big stop. In the final moments of this period, 3-2 is where we sit in what has been a tightly contested affair. While the setters are jammed up, nice job by the winger to steal the puck. Takes it across the blue line. Offside is the call, and we'll have a face-off just outside the offensive zone. Team Switzerland's generated a lot of quality scoring chances, which is why they lead here late in the second. Good read by the winger as the two setters tie up. Booming shot! Answers the call with a big save! And he coughs it up with the pass. Big stop by the keeper.
Oh, he followed the puck really well there. A couple of good stops.
That's taken away. Great defensive effort there.
Team Switzerland's coaches constantly work on this in practice, and that's to be in the right position to intercept pucks on the middle of the ice. They've done a terrific job tonight. Oh, stick craters on him. So disappointing.
Here he is, all alone. Huge stop by the goaltender.
Oh, he read that perfectly. Excellent position to make the stop on the breakaway.
Along the half wall with the puck. Switzerland's got the puck in their own end. Puck leaves the zone, forcing a mass exodus. There's the whistle. Offside is the call, stopping the play.
Fiala's trying to brace himself. He knows the hit's coming, but man, does he get leveled.
Team Switzerland's up for good reason. They have been the more complete team offensively, which is why they lead late in the second. This neutral zone face-off set to go, and we are back underway. Puts it on goal. Gets in front of it. Here's a chance behind the net. Moves close to the point. Sends a pass over, and he misses.
That's a really good scoring opportunity that the goalie doesn't even have to make a save on.
Second period nearly in the books here. And he slides it quickly to Weber. Gives them nothing in front.
We often talk about a goalie's reflexes. You've got to have quick hands to make a glove stop like that. That's going to rattle your molars around there. That is an enormous hit that he took.
Here in the later stages of this period, 3-2 is where we sit. It's a one-goal game in what has been a very fun contest to this point. The frozen biscuits dropped, and we are back underway here. Here's a short pass to Yossi. Yossi's got it in the offensive zone. Here's a blast. Too much congestion blocks the shot. And that banks off a stick. Centered out in front. Denies him in front. And there's the wrap-up cue for period number 2. Just a one-goal game after 40 minutes. It's 3-2.
Programs for tonight's game are available on the concourse, featuring complete player listings for both teams, player bios, and informative stories.
Third period is just around the corner, so don't even think about putting that controller down. Welcome back, everyone. Both teams lined up at center ice, and we are ready to get this third period underway. Barring extra time, the final frame of this one. Here we go. Third period is underway. Well, we've got 2 periods under our belts to this point so far, Ray. How do you see things?
Latvia's first 2 periods have been marred by turnovers. Every time it looks like they're going to get something going, they burp up another one. They don't have the puck much, and they're behind in the game.
Yossi's got it into offensive territory. Quick pass to Spiza. Puck picked up by Niederreiter. Skates in behind the cage. And a stick in the lane ends that threat. Picked up along the wall by Spiza. Nearing the point. Moves it to Spiza. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Great defensive effort breaking up the pass. Team Latvia's got control of it now here in the offensive end. Play blown dead. Penalty coming up here. Hooking the call and maybe a little sell job along the way.
A little bit, but the player's got to move his feet. As soon as you stop, if it's even close, you're going to get down.
Power play unit going back to work.
I'm not so sure what they looked at in the penalty-killing meeting, but the only thing they've done really well tonight is dig the puck out of the net as this power play gets another chance. They've been so good tonight.
Moves it quickly over to Fiala. Here's a blast. Long jam in front. That's broken up. Quick shot. Great reflexes. Another save. He gets that one too.
Oh, he's on it there. Both saves are really good ones. I want another look at that. Oh, yeah, here it is. Oh, yeah, good work, guys. Good work, Brannigan. Getting this thing right. What a stop by the goaltender.
Switzerland's turned good defense into good offense as they lead it early in this third period. Play resumes here as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. And he says no! Over the line they come. Team Switzerland's got a hold of it along the wall. Passes the puck over to Weber. They've got numbers. It's a 2-on-1. He scores! Putting the special in special teams tonight.
The extra work they've done, the way that they've moved some people around, has helped them cash in more than once on the power play. If he makes that stop, he's going to be on the highlights all day, all week. What an effort. He just can't get there.
Switzerland's goal has now extended their lead to 2 here early in the third. You couldn't ask for a better start in the third here.
This is the way you draw it up. This is what you talk about between periods. Rarely does it come out, and your team is as effective as they were.
Moves the puck more to the middle. And tries to make a diagonal pass to Mulligan. Misses the net.
You kick yourself in the tail after you miss a chance like this. Has to be on the net.
With some momentum driving towards the net. Gets a stick on it to make the save.
Oh, he reads the play really well to get out and aggressive to make that save.
Moves it around along the half wall. Oh, what a chance.
Oh, James, he tried to get rid of that in a hurry. He just misses.
Along the wing up the neutral zone. On the attack along the boards. Weber's got it along the wing. And he slides it quickly to Weber. Handles the puck. Centered out in front. Takes a bump but hangs on to the puck. Can't keep a hold of it. Just wide. And he elects to play the puck. Bukarts moves the puck. Here they come on the attack. Smart heads up play to neutralize the threat.
Switzerland's done a really nice job positionally tonight. They've stolen the puck every time, it seems, when they needed to.
He grabs the puck here at the point. Gets a glove on it to make the stop. Inching closer to the midway mark of the period. Lots of offense here tonight. 4-2 is where we're sitting. Puck is dropped and we are back underway. Good hit to knock the puck loose. Denied by the goaltender. Takes the bank feed. Carries it in. Looking to make something happen along the boards. Heads deep inside the offensive zone. Team Switzerland's attempt to put more pucks on net has paid off as they lead it in the third. Sooners won the faceoff. Dumps it into the O-zone. Grabs it in his own end. Coldest got it across the line. Strong feed from along the boards. Takes that pass back at the point. Oh, absolutely owns the crease tonight. Switzerland's got the edge in the shot department, a big reason why they lead here in this third period. Puck is dropped and he wins the draw here in the defensive zone. Myers got it on the offensive end. There's the whistle from the linesman calling an offside. Team Switzerland's been the better team tonight. They have turned good defense into solid offense, and they lead here in the third. Face off here in the neutral zone, and we are back underway. Whacks it into the offensive zone. Switzerland's got it behind the net. Moves the puck into the attacking area. Centering pass. Shot in front. Big time stop.
Yeah, it's in a dangerous spot. He makes a good save here.
Look out, a 2-on-1. Quick feed to Girgensons. Here's a chance. Stopped by the goaltender.
Yeah, he flashes the leather there to make the stop on a really difficult chance.
Team Switzerland's attempt to put more pucks on net has paid off as they lead it in the third. Mulligan's won the draw deep in the defensive zone. Switzerland's ready to go on the attack. Pins him against the boards as they battle for the loose puck. Slides it up ahead from the right wing. Kennan setting up against the wall. And that one's broken up. Picked off. Blocker save. Officials blowing the play dead. We've got a penalty on the way here. Tempers flaring, and someone's off to the box for slashing.
And so often you just reach out and react. A little bit of frustration. It's a pretty obvious call, though.
Another special teams opportunity for both sides as the man advantage unit is back to work again.
Doesn't matter whether you've had 1 or 10 power plays. The fundamentals of it are the same. Win the draw, get the puck to the point, try and spread the penalty killers out.
On to the penalty. 8 minutes, 49
Moved into the middle. With possession along the wall. Solid body contact. And makes the save.
We can run these highlights from the beginning of the game, the middle period, or even here late. Body, body, body has been the way this game has been played.
Team Switzerland's got the edge in the shot department, a big reason why they lead here in this third period. And momentum on their side as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. Feeds it down low. Couldn't catch up to that pass. Cannon of a shot. Turns it aside. Switzerland's been the better team tonight. They have turned good defense into solid offense, and they lead here in the third. Center's jammed up, and the winger grabs the puck. Now a quick pass to Girgensons. Team Switzerland's got possession while undermanned. Gets it out of his own end. Latvia's gained possession along the boards. Girgensons carries it through the neutral zone. Takes the pass. Here's a shot. Misses over the net.
No, he's got to get that on target. That's a scoring chance, and he doesn't even make the goaltender make a save.
Team Latvia's got the puck along the boards. Carries it across the line. And a solid effort by the penalty killers as we are back to even strength.
That's a bad time for a penalty, but they're still up in this third period. The penalty killers do a nice job for them.
Here's a short pass to Kukin. Hammers it from the point. Big time stop there. Whistle blown as the puck is directed out into the crowd, and a souvenir for some lucky fan tonight. Past the midway mark in this period. 4-2 is the score. And as the puck is dropped, they win the draw here inside the defensive zone. Picks up the puck in his own end. Moves the puck along the half wall. What a steal in his own end.
Tried just a little bit too much there, James.
Quick pass to Fiala. Beardsche's going to play it against the half wall. Puts it up front. Knocked away. Bukarts takes the puck. Takes the feed from the wing. Along the half wall with the puck. Great heads-up play in the defensive zone. Takes the feed. Wrists one. Stones him in front.
Nice move by the goalie to get out close to the shooter.
Switzerland's attempt to put more pucks on net has paid off as they lead it in the third. Play resumes as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. Turns them away. Brings the puck into the offensive end now. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. And that shot dies in traffic. Lets it go. Oh, the glove save. Where'd that come from? Through center along the wing. Moves the puck. Puts it on net. Stops him with a glove.
This is for his family. We'll show you this glove save again because it's a pretty nifty-looking save.
Team Switzerland's got the edge in the shot department, a big reason why they lead here in this third period. Haas quick on the draw. Moves it to Haas, and the puck departs the zone. Switzerland's got a hold of it against the wall. Through the neutral zone, moving the puck along the side. Reads the play and forces the turnover. Moves it around along the half wall. Moves right to the middle. Deflected away. Nice defensive use of the stick there. Nice pass. Takes it across the blue line. Takes a shot, and that one's stopped. Move to the middle. Denies him again.
Nice work in there after the first stop. He's got to find the puck to save the second.
Takes the feed. A chance on goal. Oh, he's going to be shaking his head after that one.
Yeah, you go back to the bench here, kicking yourself in the rear end. You've got a scoring chance, and you don't even get it on net.
Stopped by the goaltender.
Aggressive stop out on top of the crease to make the save on a dangerous chance.
Team Switzerland's been the better team offensively tonight. A lot of scoring chances, and they lead it late in this third period. Offensive zone face-off, and he wins the draw. Misses over the net. And the puck stopper jumps on top of it to get a stoppage in play. Switzerland's not far from the finish line here as they lead it late in this third. Off the draw, and a nice job locking up his opponent. Niederreiter's moving it ahead. Latvia's got the puck. Receives the pass. On the attack along the boards. Quick feed down low. Yepilovs is on the attack. Looking to make something happen along the boards. He scores! Well, don't turn this one off yet.
Well, you better not. We're still here. If we're here, you gotta be here too. I think he looks like he's landing an airplane there, James. He waves his glove at the puck. It still goes into the net.
Team Latvia's come back with a big one here in the third.
Grind away, dig away, now you got a chance. Only trailing by 1 goal.
Heischer's won the draw here in the neutral zone. Sends the pass over. Handles it again. Team Switzerland's looking to break out of their own end. Moves it quickly over to Spiza. Here's a shot. Stopped by the goaltender. Late goings of this period. Latvia's shown a new energy over these last few minutes. They got one back, but they still need one more in order to tie. Up along the wing. Off the left wing and into center. Back to the point it goes. Lugs the puck into the offensive zone corner. Slides the puck over. Fialo's carrying it ahead. Lets it go. And a beautiful stop by the glove. With the bank pass. Tries to feed it across. Switzerland's got possession here in the neutral zone. And now he moves it quickly to Yossi. Centered out in front. And that's broken up with a stick in front. Berchi's got it against the boards. Lets it go. Too easy with the glove. Team Switzerland's offense, the story tonight as they lead it here in this third period. The frozen biscuits dropped and we are back underway here. Over the line they come. With possession along the wall. Moves the puck along the half wall. Looks to set up at the point now. Stopped by the goaltender. Switzerland's been the better team offensively tonight. A lot of scoring chances, and they lead it late in this third period. Back underway, and they take possession here inside the offensive zone.
In the third period.
Takes the pass in the offensive zone. And there's the save. This is a face-off they'll definitely want to win here inside the offensive zone. Less than 60 seconds left here in the final frame. And officials right on top of that one, calling for a slashing penalty, it looks like. And the officials will pass the sentence here. He's going to go to the box for that stick work, Ray.
Yeah, that's my favorite penalty, James. If somebody's bugging you, yeah, that's the one right there. But don't hit him in the pants. It just sounds like you're banging a drum. Find a spot with no pass.
So make it count.
Yes.
Another power play opportunity coming up here as they set up at the face-off. While the centers are jammed up, nice job by the winger to steal the puck. Trailing in this one, they have pulled the goalie and the extra attackers out. Team Latvia's got the puck inside the defensive zone. Here they come on the attack. And that skips away on a nice defensive deflection. And great hustle to come up with the puck. Moves it up through the middle from the right. To his teammate. And makes the easy glove save.
But he came out and challenged him. Good save.
Team Switzerland's not far from the finish line here as they lead it late in this third. Puck is dropped and we are back underway. Trying to dump it out. And that's a big defensive play with that clearing.
Yeah, you got to focus on it, James. It seems like an easy play, but that puck has to go out.
Along the half wall with the puck. And he stands tall in goal. That's it. There's the final horn to close this one up.
They kept getting to throw that power play back out there, James. Finally, they were able to execute and cash in on them. That was the difference.
They looked really good and effective on some nights where that power play can be a bit of a clunker. Not tonight. Well, this one's in the books. A fun one tonight for Ray Ferraro. My name is James Cybulski. Thanks for joining us, everyone. Good night.
Yo, 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 yo. Uh-huh, uh-huh.